Come with me on the Margaritaville at Sea Cruise Getaway. We're taking the Tri-Rail and Bus 1 straight to the port of Palm Beach. Easy, affordable, and stress-free. Ride the Tri-Rail north and get off the West Palm Beach station. Right outside the station, hop on Palm Trail Route 1 heading north. That bus runs along US 1 and takes you directly to the port of Palm Beach. The ride only takes about 15 minutes and it drops you right near the cruise terminal. No parking fees, no stress. Welcome aboard the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. From the moment you step on, it feels like a floating island escape. Your cabin is cozy and has everything you need for a 3-night Bahamas getaway. Deck 4 through 7 is all about rest and relaxation. Here's where you'll find staterooms, comfortable, and perfect for recharging after a day of poolside fun and entertainment. Nothing fancy, but exactly what you need before waking up in the Bahamas. Make sure to check out my next video to see what it's like on the Margaritaville at sea. I'll be including the pool deck as well as different activities I did on the cruise. Welcome to Deck 8 on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. This is where the fun begins. The Finn's dining room for sit-down meals. There's plenty of food from sit-down restaurants to the buffet, and of course you can't miss the famous cheeseburger in paradise. Just across the hall is the JWB Prime Steakhouse for additional sit-down meals. Euphoria is the place to be to sip on cocktails at the lounge and enjoy live music and entertainment late into the night. As we walk through the hallways, we head to the kids club. Here features rooms with games, board games, card games, you name it. Activities to keep the kids occupied. This floor also includes conference center, as well as down the hall you'll find arcade games. Now we're heading to Stars on the Water Theater and Bar. At night, the ship lights up with Broadway-style shows, live bands, and theme parties. The theater is where you'll catch Broadway-style shows and comedy every night. Just across from guest services, there's the chapel. Finally, let's head up to deck 11, the chill zone. The Saint Somewhere spa offers massages and facials. The fitness center helps you keep moving at sea. And there's a quiet spot to take the ocean views. It's the perfect escape if you want to recharge. The Port of Indecision buffet offers a variety of casual bites. Let's check out Deck 9. It's all about nightlife, shopping, and showtime. Here on Deck 9, you could also try your luck at the casino. Just down the hall from the casino is the Keys on the Waters, where they have additional entertainment such as bingo, white hot neon night parties, as well as karaoke, or just relax with endless ocean views. Check out onboard shopping, daily schedule for cruise news such as 10% off on Margaritaville logoed merchandise at the gift shops. Just above the pool deck on floor 14 is the Hemisphere nightclub. And the best part, in 2 days you'll wake up in the Bahamas ready to explore the beach and island life. From dining on deck 8 and 11 to parties on deck 14 and pool and spa times on deck 11, the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise has something for everyone. Which deck would you spend the most time on? From Tri-Rail to Bus 1 to Paradise, it's that simple. The Margaritaville Cruise is the perfect quick escape. Who's ready to set sail? Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.